are the best handbags to gift this year in every price range. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Celesta. We talk about all things luxury shopping and handbags. If you love those things, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification. I do post videos every week. Okay, it is November. We are approaching holiday season like this. So we need to talk about all of the best handbags to gift. I have them in every price range. I'm going to be doing them from cheapest to most expensive, really depending on your budget. And these make for great gifts for yourself, for your partner, for your sister, for your mom, for your friend. We got it covered. Let's get into it. Starting with the cheapest, and honestly the one that I'm surprised has continued to stick around, is the Longchamp Mini. This is technically a toiletry bag turned bag. I have a full tutorial on how I actually punch the holes to do this. I know they have conversion kits where you can hang them on the strap itself, but personally for me, I kind of liked the look of having it attached to the bag. It was easy. I'm not a handy person whatsoever, and I was still able to do it. I'll leave the tutorial in the description box below. $90, $95 when I got it a couple years ago, and now it is $100. So there definitely is a price increase. The demand for this has continued to go up. I think this makes for a really good gift. It's going to be your everyday bag. It fits all your things. And worst case, they don't want to turn it into a bag. You can always use it as a toiletry pouch as it's intended. The next bag we have on this list is the Béis work tote. This is one of my favorite work totes at this price point because this currently retails for $128. There is one size up, but this is kind of the smaller size, and it's a 13-inch laptop, no problem. I love that this comes with a pouch. It also comes with a very generous strap drop. I've been talking about this quite a bit. I love a shoulder bag. I love a tote bag, but I needed to have a very generous strap drop. Otherwise, it's not going to fit over a thicker sweater, a thicker coat, and it's just like such a nuisance to use, especially when you're already going in the office. It's just like not great. I love, love, love all the features of this bag. I think I have a review on this bag already, but this is only $128. This is a great gift for your new college grad, someone who is just starting out in the workforce, or they could use an elevated work bag. This is only $128. I think it's a really good bang for your buck. The next bag I have on this list is the Freya Mini Christie. I recently got both the Mini Christie and the regular Christie from Freya, and I will be doing a comparison video. But as of right now, this is the size that I'm reaching for. You guys know me, you know I prefer smaller bags. I'm already 4'11", so I don't need a really big bag to overwhelm my frame. But this fits all of the essentials, generous strap drop. This is truly like an underrated feature where it's like this buckle to hold up both of the straps. It's easy to get in and out of, and I feel like this dark brown espresso color has been great for fall outfits. This currently retails for $268. I know that they'll be running 25% off for their Black Friday promotion. The link in the description box should automatically apply that discount. If you're watching this after the Black Friday promotion, I do have a $20 discount code you guys can use if you want, just to save a little bit of money, but this is $268 at the full retail price. I think this is going to be a very functional bag that can be dressed up and dressed down. The next item we have is less bag, but still fits in the bag category. We have the Béis carry-on luggage. I've had my Béis carry-on luggage for quite a few years now. I ended up getting my husband one as well. So now we are that couple rolling into the airport with a matching set. He has a black one, I have a tan one. I love it. It's a vibe. These retail for $238, I want to say. They might also be running some sort of Black Friday promo. I would definitely check it out. However, they usually do early Black Friday, pre-Black Friday sales as well, because I have tried years on the Béis website on Black Friday or Cyber Monday, and the website always crashes. Personally, don't feel like the discount is really that much different than the pre-Black Friday sale. So if I were you, I would get it early. I love, love, love my Béis suitcases. I think that they are just very functional. And I think for me personally, if I'm recommending a size to gift that everyone is going to use, it's going to be the carry-on size. Not everybody needs a really big suitcase to travel for 2-3 week vacations. However, everybody's going to use a carry-on, whether that's for a weekend trip, whether that's for a month-long trip. And more often than not, a lot of people have crusty carry-ons that could also be replaced as well. The next bags, I guess I have to recommend either the Sangman or the Palen Numero 10. I do have a full comparison breakdown between both of these bags, what fits, which one I prefer, we have to talk about the fact that the Songmont Luna is $200 cheaper than the Pelen. If we're only basing off of price, I have to pick the Songmont. I love that you can wear this as a shoulder bag, as a crossbody. You can actually pinch this in and turn it into a little dumpling bag. However, with the Pelen Numero 10, there's just so much functionality with this bag. There's a very adjustable strap. You can wear it as a shoulder bag, you can wear this as a crossbody, and it really depends on kind of what your vibe is. And truly, I don't think you can go wrong with either of these bags. It really comes down to like your personal preference. Both of these come with a box, they come with a dust bag, they come kind of like full set, if you will. So I feel like both of these make for really good options. We do kind of have another two-parter, if you will. It is either between the Pelen Seam or the Demelier New York. I feel like both of these are very popular tote options, and it really comes down to which one you think the recipient will like, or yourself. They're both kind of in the $500-600 price range. I use this bag quite a bit. I actually just used this for work the other day, and my only complaint about this bag is based on the shape of the bag, it's a little bit hard for your laptop to sit flush at the bottom. If you don't carry a laptop every single day, not a huge deal. However, I do like that this bag has multiple straps. You can wear this with just the top handle. It also has a very generous strap drop. The Demelier New York, I think certain sizes have a crossbody strap. Others are just like a little top handle. So it really comes down to which one you prefer, which colors you prefer. Both of them have different colors, different materials. Demelier comes in suede. This one comes in canvas. The list goes on, but I think either of these would make for really good gifts for Christmas. The next gift item we have to talk about is a vintage keep-all. I talked about this when I was first eyeing this bag. This is by no means a necessity. I think this is so fun to use, but this is just not a necessity. And I think when you are trying to find the perfect gift for someone, I really look for something that can either upgrade what they already have, or something that is just not a necessity that they personally don't really want to splurge on, but they want. And I think the keep-all checks a lot of those boxes. I did specify vintage because this one is a size 45. It does come with the bandolier strap. I've seen it on the pre-love market between $900 to maybe $1,500. The retail price for this is at least $2,500 in the US. And me personally, I would feel sick paying $2,500 to kick this bag and shove it under the seat in front of me. This being already vintage, already pre-loved, already been used, it's gone through the ringer a little bit. I don't feel as bad, and it makes me enjoy using the bag a little bit more. So I highly recommend going the vintage route. I'll leave a couple recommendations for you guys in the description box if you guys are interested. This one I got from Lola Saratoga and I love it. Okay, sticking with Louis Vuitton, you guys know the Louis Vuitton Easy Pouch on Strap has been one of my favorite bags. But I'm gonna give you guys like an alternative. I know this is a smaller bag. I also love that this is a little bit more like subtle. I also love that you can wear this as a shoulder bag, as a crossbody, comes with a chain. You guys have heard the spiel. I'm obsessed with this bag. I did not think I would love this bag as much as I do, use it as much as I do, down to the point where like my best friend ended up getting the same bag in black, and just truly love this bag. However, if you are looking for a canvas option, I highly recommend the Louis Vuitton Wallet on Chain Ivy. Very similar look in terms of you can wear this as a shoulder bag, you can wear it as a crossbody bag. We're all about the functionality here, and this bag does look to be a little bit bigger in terms of like its depth compared to the Easy Pouch. So this should still fit all of your everyday essentials. It's in the same price range, around $1,600 to $1,700. You're gonna buy it in stores, you're gonna get the box, you're gonna get the ribbon, you're gonna get the whole shebang. It's gonna make for a great gift for yourself or someone you love. Inching up in price just a little bit, we are now hitting the $2,400 price range. And I have to recommend the Bottega Mini Wallis over the Jody. I have a comparison video on that as well. But this bag fits a ton. It's very classic Bottega. It has kind of that like interwoven design. You can wear it as a shoulder bag, you can wear it as a top handle. It fits a ton. It fits 2 water bottles. Not that anybody is really needing to carry 2 water bottles around, but it's nice to know that it fits. And truth be told, I did not expect to like this bag as much as I do. I think it's just such a functional bag. You can dress up and dress down. And oftentimes, if you are interested in Bottega, you can actually find it at department stores where they do have some kind of like promotion that stacks with the bag. So you can get it for a little bit discounted or store credit, etc., etc. Great deal. Okay, and the last items are, we are hitting kind of that classic $5,000 price range. This is not a gift item for everybody. However, I feel like if you are gifting a classic handbag in this price range, you should definitely ask what is on their wish list, because you don't want to get something that you think that they want and then they actually don't want it. But if they have no idea, no suggestions, I think the Lady Dior, which is in the mini size, which is around the $5,000 price range, or the Chanel Kelly. That personally is the one that I want. So if somebody wants to, get this for me, this is on the wish list. However, I think both of these are really great options. You can wear it as a top handle, you can wear it as a crossbody. It's gonna stand the test of time. It's just the perfect handbag to gift. But if you can, without spoiling the surprise, definitely ask what is on their wish list before spending this amount of money on something that they may or may not want. Okay, so that sums it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll leave all of the items linked in the description box below. Videos, any kind of comparison videos, that will also be there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what is on your Christmas wish list this year, your holiday wish list. I can't wait to see what everybody is wanting this year. I'll leave another video for you guys here, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!